If we want to develop WordPress websites on our own computer, we need to first simulate a web server. This is because WordPress is written in a programming language called PHP. PHP is what is classed as a server-side language, meaning it works on the server rather than inside the browser, such as languages like JavaScript. Therefore, we need to recreate this server on our computer for WordPress to work. WordPress also needs a database to store all the information in, so we also need to take care of this. We can do this by installing a package called MAMP, which can be used with PHP and also allows us to set up MySQL databases, which we can use with WordPress. There are other alternatives available, but I'm going to be using MAMP for this course. It's free to use and also available for Mac and Windows. So to begin, I'm going to open up the browser and head over to Google. To find the package we need, I'm going to search for MAMP. And the website we need is mamp.info. So select that. Okay, so now we're taken to the home page for MAMP, and you can see it's a package which contains Apache, which we'll be using for the web server. It also comes bundled with MySQL databases, which WordPress needs. And it also allows us to run PHP websites. So to begin, I'm going to go down to the free version. There is also a pro version too, but we don't need that for this course. So click on download. And then we're taken to the download section where we have the option for both Mac and Windows. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to click on the latest download. And then that should just take a few moments to download. So I'll come back in just a minute when that's all done. Okay, so once your MAMP download has finished, I'm going to go over to the downloads and then open up this package. MAMP can be installed in the usual way for your platform. So I'm just going to click on continue and accept the licensing agreements. Select the location and then install. And it shouldn't take too long to install, just give that a few moments to install all the dependencies and save in the location. So this is going to allow us to control Apache, PHP and MySQL, all from one simple installation. These can be installed separately, but they do take a little bit more configuration to get working. So a package such as MAMP makes things a lot more convenient. Great, so that's the installation done. So I'm just going to close this. And then I'm going to go over to my applications, or wherever you store this, and then go to the applications and then look for MAMP. And to start this up, we just need to click on the MAMP package with the little logo next to it. And then once this is done, we're then taken to the MAMP control panel, and this gives us the options to start the servers. So I'll begin by clicking on this Start Servers icon. Then once this is done, you'll see at the top we have the Apache server and also the MySQL server and the little green dot next to each. So just make sure these two are both lit up before continuing. So you'll see that automatically opened up the MAMP start page. If you don't get this page automatically pop up, all you need to do is click on the Open Web Start Page icon, and then you'll be taken to this page. So scrolling down, you'll see there's some information about the MySQL setup. So we're developing locally, so we'll be using the local host. We're also given the port numbers and also the passwords and root user. So I'll be able to use this information in the next video when setting up WordPress. Further down, there's also some examples of how to connect to the network if using PHP. We won't be needing these, so we'll just stick to the MySQL data, which we can see here. So if you get to this stage, then we're all ready to go with MAMP. One last thing I want to show you is if we go back into the MAMP folder, there's a lot of different files and folders here, but the main one that we're going to be concentrating on for this course is the htdocs folder. This is short for hypertext documents, and it's a location where we'll store all of our websites, not only for this course, but any project which you may want to add in the future too. So we can create more than one website by using this MAMP installation. So we'll leave this video there, and I'll see you in the next video.